Apple Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 4 Maths. I am your teacher Disha. Here are your friends.
I am Gopi.
I'm Abhi.
Dear students, today I am going to teach you Chapter 10, Stadium, Perimeter and Area. Priya and Rohan are very excited as they are watching live cricket in the Eden Garden Stadium. Let's see their conversation.
This is the first time I have come to see a live cricket match in this stadium.
It is the second largest stadium in India. It was constructed in 1864 and it can accommodate 68,000 people.
Rohan, do you know what the size of the pitch is?
Yes, the length of the pitch is 20.12 meters and its breadth is 3.05 meters. Do you know that the sum of its length and breadth is called the perimeter?
I don't know. Please explain what perimeter is.
Yes, let's learn about perimeter.
Students, have you observed how the excitement of watching live cricket creates curiosity about measuring lengths and knowing about perimeter? Let's learn more about perimeter with Whoopi and Appy. Perimeter of plane shapes.
How can we measure the perimeter of any figure?
To calculate the perimeter of any figure, we need to measure the length of each side of the figure. Let's calculate the perimeter of the dressing room at Eden Garden Stadium. The length of each side of the room is 30 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters. The perimeter of the room will be 30 centimeters plus 20 centimeters plus 30 centimeters plus 20 centimeters, which equals 100 centimeters. The perimeter is the distance around the sides of a closed figure. Thus, the perimeter of the dressing room at Eden Garden Stadium is 100 centimeters. We can calculate the perimeter of a rectangle using another method. The sum of length and breadth multiplied by 2 will be its perimeter. As we know, a rectangle has equal opposite sides. The perimeter of a rectangle is equal to the length plus breadth multiplied by 2. 30 centimeters plus 20 centimeters multiplied by 2 will be its perimeter. 30 centimeters plus 20 centimeters is equal to 50 centimeters and 50 centimeters multiplied by 2 is equal to 100 centimeters.
Wow, it is very easy. But how can we calculate the perimeter of a square?
Let's learn it from one example and two different methods. Let's calculate the perimeter of the square tile using different methods. Method 1. We can calculate the perimeter using another method. The length of one side multiplied by 4 will be its perimeter. As we know, a square has all 4 sides equal. The perimeter of a square is equal to the length of one side multiplied by 4. 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24 centimeters. Method 2. We know that the perimeter is the sum of all sides. The length of each side of the square tile is 6 centimeters. The perimeter of the square tile will be 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters, which equals 24 centimeters. In both methods, we found that the perimeter is the same, which is 24 centimeters.
It is amazing.
Similarly, we can measure the perimeter of a hexagon
Really? But how?
by finding the total length of all its sides. The perimeter of the hexagon will be 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters, which equals 26 centimeters.
I understood. We can calculate the perimeter by finding the sum of the lengths of all sides or by using formulas. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. The perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by its sides. The perimeter of a regular shape is the sum of all its sides.
Perimeter of straight and curved shapes. Let's learn how to find the perimeter of irregular shapes from one example. Observe the given figure, which is drawn on a 1 centimeter square grid. As we know, a perimeter is the sum of all sides. To find the perimeter of the given figure, we will find the sum of all its sides. The perimeter will be 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 4 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters equals to 22 centimeters. Thus, the perimeter of the given irregular shape is 22 centimeters. Let's learn how to find the perimeter of a curved, irregular shape from one example. Observe the given leaf, which is curved in shape. Follow the given steps to find its perimeter. Step 1. Wrap the string around the leaf. Step 2. Mark the ending point on the string. Step 3. Keep the starting point of the string on the inch tape or ruler at 0. Step 4. Read the value of the end point. The value of the end point is the perimeter of the leaf.
Wow, that's interesting.
Area.
If the boundary of the cricket pitch is called the perimeter, then what is the occupied space called?
The amount of space occupied by the surface is called the area. Thus, the amount of surface occupied by the pitch is its area. Let's learn the different ways to find the area. Observe the given math notebook. Let's find the area of the squares on this page. Count the number of squares on this page.
There are 18 squares on this page.
Correct. And the side of each square is 1 square centimeter. Thus, the area of the squares on this page is 18 multiplied by 1 square centimeter, which equals 18 square centimeters. Always remember that the area is measured in square units. Area of a rectangle. Let's learn to find the area of the different shapes using this formula. The area of a rectangle is equal to its length multiplied by its breadth. The length of the rectangle is 9 centimeters and its breadth is 5 centimeters. The area of a rectangle will be 9 centimeters multiplied by 5 centimeters. When we multiply 9 centimeters by 5 centimeters, we will get 45 square centimeters. Thus, the area of the rectangle is 45 square centimeters.
Wow, it is interesting. मतलब रेक्टेंगल का एरिया पता करने के लिए हम रेक्टेंगल की लंबाई को उसकी चौड़ाई से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं.
Area of a square. Let's learn how to find the area of a square from this example. The area of a square is the side multiplied by the side. The side of the square is 7 meters. Its area will be 7 meters multiplied by 7 meters. After multiplying 7 by 7, we will get 49. Thus, the area of the square is 49 square meters.
स्क्वायर का एरिया पता करने के लिए हम स्क्वायर की साइड को उसकी साइड से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं क्योंकि स्क्वायर की चारों साइड बराबर होती हैं।
Students, in this chapter, you have learnt about perimeter of plane shapes, perimeter of straight and curved shapes, area of rectangle, and area of square. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple Resources.